Alright folks, let's take a look at the SkaterTrainers 2.0. So what we've got here are some really heavy duty rubber shields, if you will, that slide over top of your existing skateboard wheels and essentially block them from rolling. Why does that matter? Well, if you want to practice flat ground tricks without that small variable of the wheels rolling out from under you, which can turn out to be a huge variable if you're my age, then these are great. They slide on, again, right over top of your skateboard wheels, and they turn them into squares, basically, making them unable to roll. And say what you will, it's very good practice to have this tool in your toolbox. I've used grass when I was a kid, cracks in sidewalks, and things like that. And let's be honest, they just never worked quite right. And the goal of using these would be to eventually be able to do your tricks rolling. However, this is a great place to start. So instead of me sitting here talking about these things and showing them to you on camera, let's just go to a quick view of me before and me after. And in between, I'll show you how to actually put these onto your skateboard wheels. So let's check it out. Alright, so here we are. We are outside, and I am on my cheapy skateboard, and that's me attempting to do some tricks, you know, with wheels, you know, with the standard setup, you know, no changes made. Probably still need to adjust my trucks. They're a little bit loose, but that's me just trying to pop some tricks out there and see what we got. I like the tennis courts close to our house because they're nice and flat, and there's no cars that might kill me. Alright, so let's put these things on, and let me show you how that looks. So basically, I had a little bit of trouble with the first one, just trying to figure out the best way to do this. But basically, you just kind of get it over the side of the wheel, or like the top of the wheel, if you will, pull it around the bolt, and then it slides right on. And I was also doing this over the tripod that was holding my camera, which was kind of annoying. But excuses. They went on very easily, and I was actually quite happy with that. Just a note, you know, I would say that these SkateTrainers are going to be good for anybody of any age that wants to have a little bit more confidence when they're trying to learn ground tricks, and you know, doesn't want to have that extra variable of the little bit of roll that the wheels, and potentially the ton of roll that wheels can have when you're trying to land tricks. So here in just a second, you'll see the upcoming clips of me doing some tricks with the SkateTrainers on. And you know, say what you will about noticing a difference or seeing a difference. Well, one difference for sure. I was able to stay on the board a lot better, and I actually landed a heel flip in this session, which I think is pretty freaking amazing, if you ask me. So I was just messing around a bit, and I wanted to show, you know, kind of leading up to the landed heel flip, and I was actually getting a lot more, overall a lot more pop than I usually would. I was really starting to work the back foot better than I ever had due to the fact that there was no roll. So one of these times here, I'll be able to show you me landing one, but
play it a little bit, man.
You know, enjoy the fun here as I'm trying my best, trying my hardest here. I know you guys are rooting for me. They work. I mean, there's literally no movement from the wheels whatsoever, so I can stand still and not worry about that little bit of extra balance that's necessary when the wheels are rolling. And I actually landed two. There's the first one, which I was pretty excited about. visibly excited. So here's some slow-mo action of it. I just had to throw this in. And you can see this one's not that great. There's a little bit of pop, but kind of skips on the front truck on the way down. But this next one is that's a solid one for me, being an old guy. This is, I mean, that right there is the best one I think I've ever landed. So I wanted to end this video with a little bit of video from my son, my little dude, wanting to check out the SkaterTrainers. And he was just so happy that he was able to stand on the board and kind of pop it up a little without falling off. So I thought that was kind of a testament to how cool these things really are as well. So yeah, this has again been a look at the SkaterTrainers 2.0. I hope that seeing this has helped your purchase decision. Ask me guys if you have any questions. And thanks again for watching.